Alright, so this is just a quick video showing you how to color in different anatomic structures in Photoshop as a layer stack. So first I'm going to go into scripts, load files into stack, browse to where I want. So I'm just going to maybe grab a couple images here just randomly. I don't know. We'll find something to annotate. Okay, so we're going to click OK. And it's going to load all of the layers, all of the slices we selected as layers. You can see it takes a little bit of time. I'm not sure why it takes so long. Alright, so there's all four of them. And now what I need to do is I need to put a new layer up here that I want to draw into, and I want that set to multiply mode. And we have 4 layers here, so I'm going to need 4 of these. So I'm going to hit Control J to duplicate those, and then I'm just going to drag one of these above each of the slices that I want to annotate. And then I need to put each of these into a group. So I'm going to select both layers and then hit the little group icon down here in the corner. Okay, now I'm just going to expand these all out. Alright, so this is the one that's on top, so that's the one that we're looking at. And I guess we'll just annotate the femur here. And one thing I just noticed is we need to change the image mode to RGB color. Okay, so don't merge. And now I can color in structures. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit here to make this easier. And I'm going to be using my Wacom tablet, and so this is set to multiply, so it's just going to change the color of whatever's underneath of it to the color I'm painting on. So let me just change to my brush tool, and I hit B to do that, by the way. I could hit it in the tool panel too. And so I'm just going to color in the structure that I want to annotate. Alright, and so we could maybe annotate something else too in a different color, so I'm just going to change this other color maybe to red. Alright, so let's switch that and say I want to like color in the ischium here too. We could do that. And we could color in muscles or whatever we wanted to, really. I'm just picking very obvious structures. Okay, and I could use the eraser tool and kind of clean this up a little bit if I wanted to make it look really nice. Alright, so that's one layer done. And so now I'm going to collapse that group and turn it off. And we'll go into the next one. And so we'll just make sure the colors are staying the same. Switch over to my brush tool. Alright, so let's color this one in. And then we'll switch colors over here. And we'll color this back in. Okay, so there's our femur. Maybe we'll color the cortex in too. Alright, so I'm going to collapse that, and we'll do the next one. Got to turn that one off. So we need to make sure we're in this layer. Alright, so we'll stop with this one. Okay, so I'm going to just delete this because we're not going to do that one. Alright. So now what I need to do is I need to bake all of these down. So I'm going to merge these groups. So I right click, merge group, right click, merge group. Okay, so that's the stack we want. Now we need to export those layers to images. So we want to go to, let's see, export and layers to files. And now I'm going to browse to where I want to save them. Let's go to this new folder I created, click OK. And I don't really care if there's a prefix. We want them JPEG, quality as high as it goes, and everything looks good there. And so I'll hit run, and now it's going to save each of these as layers here, and so it should populate that in. Okay, that was successful. And so now you can see that we've got a nice annotated stack. And so for uploading this, we could zip this and upload it to Radiopedia. So that's how you do that.